Hey YouTube, it's Evan here. Sorry about the lack of videos, but I figured on that day I made a bunch of videos, so yeah. I just woke up, I'm bedhead, I just got on some clothes. I'm going to show you how to make a speed loader with just a pen. It'll load my Smith & Wesson, it'll load lots of things, like it'll load high caps mostly. So what you do, put the BBs back. I'll just set them down. So what you do, there's this pen. So you get a pen. Doesn't really matter what it takes. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it back together. Give me a sec. It's a Papermate Flex Grip Ultra. They're actually really good pens, but I decided to take it out. Oh, damn, there's a BB there. So I'm just gonna put this pen back together. There. Close that, tie it. Okay, done. So you get a pen like this. Okay? What you do, first, you remove the tip. So what you do is just hold on to the tip and twist the pen. It should come off like that. Now save it. Now, unscrew the bottom like this. This time, twist the bit and hold this tube. Now, we need almost everything. Now, take out the ink. So, I'll take this and put it back into the pen. Now, take your BBs. It'll hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It'll hold 14 BBs. Actually, no, it'll hold more. 13, 15, 16. Now just pop them in like that. Now, if you put in 17, you might be able to see that, but there's like, oh, there you go. There's the BB. Oh, damn, I just took it all out. Make sure that you don't have a BB like that. You want to take that BB out because we have to screw that metal bit back in. The tip. Oh, that just sounded wrong with the tip. So you just take the metal bit, slip that back in. Now, slip that back in. What you want to do now is this, like what I did with my other one. I don't know where that one is, but I took it out. I took this stuff out and I sanded down the teeth, and then I took now it's still completely made out of the pen. What I did is I poked that little hole out there, and I shoved a pin in it, and then I gunded the ends like that, and then there was a little loop, and then had a little keychain, so I would just pull it out and then load my gun, slip it back, put back the beads back in, put it back in, shove it in my pocket. It was very, very fun to make. Now, I'm just going to be using my Smith & Wesson M1911. I'm just going to pull that down. So, I'm in the middle of a war. I need to reload. Take it, push it up like that, pull that down. Now we'll actually hold more BBs because my Smith & Wesson only holds 5. Shove that back in, and boom! I just reloaded faster than than going like this. It's just so much easier. I mean, like, who doesn't want a speed loader? Okay, what is it? I hate this mag. It's it's such a pain in the ass to get BBs in, and with the speed loader it's just so much easier. Mag back in. No. Imagine like I just like throw the gun in through like the computer and it like pops out the other side like sucker. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video with a beatbox. Oh wait, no, one more thing. What's it called? Don't leave any like mean comments saying like I could get him on Amazon and stuff. Like seriously guys, this is just like if you're at a war and you forget your speed loader at home, your friend has a pen, boom, you're good. Like yeah. So bye. Oh wait, I forgot the beatbox.